In this set of lectures, we're going to talk about the cranial nerves that innervate your face and your oral cavity. So remember when we introduced the cranial nerves in general, we talked about they could be motor, or they could be totally sensory, or they could be mixed. And so today we're going to talk about cranial nerve 5 and 7, and they are both mixed cranial nerves. And I'll point them out here on the rubber brainstem. Here's cranial nerve 5. And here is cranial nerve 7. Okay, and then over here on the base of the skull, you can see cranial nerve 5 here. And cranial nerve 7 is right here. This is cranial nerve 8. And just for your reminder, remember this is 3, and here's 4, and here's 6. Remember that 3, 4, and 6 were the extraocular nerves. So I'm always going to try to review whenever I've got a chance to review with you, because repetition is what's going to solidify this information. So it's always good to review. So whenever you see an image where you already know something, and I'm introducing new information, make sure you review all the old information that you already know. In the next section, we'll talk about the trigeminal nerve or cranial nerve 5, and in the last block for this one, we'll talk about the facial nerve.